In this video we will learn how will be link CoinPay website's profile to timewall account to earn more money and take withdraw easily or cash out. Look my timewall account, which showed two websites profiles linked already with my timewall account. But now I am going to teach you how to link new website's profile so that you will learn how to link any website's profile to your timewall account and earn more and taking withdraw easily. So before start the video, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more videos. And if you are watching this video on Facebook or Instagram, please follow the page and press bell icon for all notification. So let's get start the video. So first I open new page and type coinpay.com and open website. For this purpose, please watch the entire video so that no any part of video can be missed. Many friends ask many questions because they watch video with intervals. Now the website is open in front of you. I have already CoinPay account, but this time I will register temporary new account only for this practical. As soon I click on register tab, the new page opened. I registered with Google account. I selected my email address and clicked on continue and changed my username because the username had already been used. Now I clicked confirm. The new account is opened. It's very important thing verify your email address. Complete your profile of coinpayu.com account. Then link this website profile to your timewall account, okay? Now I go to back page of timewall account. To just check it showed only two websites profile are linked. You can check this one is first website profile. This is the second website's profile which is linked to my timewall account. Go to the next page of CoinPay website site, click here. Now see from here the offer tab. Here is offer tab, click on it. It page is looking like. Go to downside a little more, go to downside. Look here. Here is the timewall. This is the page from where we shall link our CoinPay website's profile to timewall account. Click here and new page will open before you. Now wait until the process complete. Congratulations! Your CoinPay website profile has been linked. Wait until the all process is done. Do not close this page. Go to downside a little and click on website profile. The process has been completed. Now we check our website's profile is linked or not. Go to downside and look. Wow, here is our website's profile is linked. Look here, it's successfully linked. I hope you learned really. If you have any question, type in comment box and like the video and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.